Let's take a look here at the skills demonstrated in Google Certified Educator Level 2, Google Forms Scenario 3. And this one here, let's take a look at ways you can use forms and videos together to help students work at their own pace. They can work at their own time and answers checking for understanding questions. So this really helps with the differentiation. So students who need more time can take more time. Those who can work quickly and finish early can do that as well. And you can have some kind of enrichment or extra work for them to do when they finish. So let's take a look at how to accomplish this using videos in Google Forms. So one of the really cool things about this is that you can save time for yourself as a teacher by setting this form to be as a quiz, and it will auto grade it for you. So let's take a look here. Let's start with going to our settings, and I'm going to go ahead and make this a quiz. We're going to make it a default 1 point per question, just for argument's sake. And I'm going to start first by putting a video here. So in this scenario, we talk about a mock assignment about famous volcanic eruptions. So I'm going to do a quick search here for YouTube for Mount St. Helens eruption. And we'll pull this video for argument's sake. We have this video here. We'll say, watch this Mount St. Helens eruption video and answer questions below. All right. So now I'm going to add a question here. We'll say here, for example, where is the volcano located? And we'll put here California, Oregon, Washington State, Washington, D.C. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make that required and click on my answer key. That's Washington State. Click done. And then we're going to add another one. So let's go ahead and do one more just for argument's sake. Here is we'll say something like this. When did the volcano erupt? I'll say 2020, 1980, 1990, year 2000. And we're going to go ahead and our answer key, set it as 1980. And just like that one, we also required. We have the original question here we don't need anymore. And we'll title it Famous Volcanic Eruptions. We'll take a look from the student perspective right now. So in the student perspective, so what it looks like, the student can watch the video here
almost
on the form.
10,000.
And they can watch as many times as they need to answer these questions. Because we said as a quiz, it can auto grade it for you. You can get your scores without having to manually do it yourself. So the kids who need to take more time can take more time. Those who are early finishers can finish early as well. And it's a simple tool to help with differentiation of instruction for your varied student learning needs.